So I have a 3080 TUF and it's always been sagging because of the design of this graphics card. So I wanted like a GPU holder or like an anti-sag pole thing, and I was looking for something with RGB and such, but all of those ended up being very big and bulky. And basically I just needed something to look better than putting some Legos and such under the GPU itself, and therefore I think this kind of thing here fits much better. It's just a simple aluminium piece that is nice and adjustable. So each end have like a rubber piece on them to not scratch up your GPU or your PC case, and you can get this in two versions. I got a long one, so it won't fit in this case under this 2080 Super, but it's not like this 2080 Super really needed a bracket or holder like this because there was basically no sag. But my 3080 TUF on the other hand have always been really saggy. Maybe it's not a huge problem that it's sagging, but it's something for just peace of mind, having like a GPU holder, having it angled more correctly without like putting some extra strain on the PCB board and such in the GPU. So I can like feel a little bit better about it. So this holder here looks nice and sleek, and it doesn't really stand out, or you can basically almost not see it at all. So it's easy to mount. We just place it under the GPU, and I would then like raise the GPU to the height where it is not sagging anymore. And then I will just twist this thing to get it up to the correct height so we can have the GPU resting on it, and then there's just like a locking ring for it not to move at all, even though I don't really see how this would fall apart or not to support it without that locking ring. And the one thing I like most about this GPU holder thing here is that it's really easy to take in and out. So for me, like testing different GPUs and such, just takes a few seconds for it to be mounted back again after having another GPU in there.